Hello everybody, the Standard 406 here. Today I am showing you the restoration of a mamod Miner 1. I bought this off eBay for £30, maybe a bit overpriced, but it said make an offer and she didn't accept it. The burner is missing for this, otherwise all the bits are here apart from the safety valve. It's a right shame that the burner's missing because they are hard to get hold of. Luckily, I had a burner tray from an SP1 that I recently restored. It's a tablet burner, but it should work with this. With these older engines, the flywheel doesn't have a screw. You just pull it off. Often you have to put a bit of oil on it. After disassembling it, I got it ready for painting. Here you can see the main parts. The firebox looks to be repainted by someone. You can't see it on here, but there's lots of drip marks, so I plan to redo this in the future. The boiler had been repainted in a gold paint, but with a bit of wire wool I got it all off, or most of it. The frame had been painted with a very light coat of a wrong colour green. Here you can see it completed. I've painted it, I painted the base, I painted the frame. I used enamel paints, which work really nicely. Here you can see me attempting to get it going. I'm moving it in the wrong direction. After giving it a bit of oil, hopefully it will run better. The safety valve on this is from a TE1, which you can see in the background. This is, it has no seals in it. So it's been leaking water, and the water's gone down onto the fuel tablets. After figuring out, I got one from a mamod Miner 2, screwed it in, relit the tablets, and hopefully it will work better.